Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to make this little simple but very cute flower. As you can see, you can make it in pretty much any material you like. You can do it with any color combination you like. If you don't want to change colors between round 1 and 2, you can just continue with one color. This is a really nice project for stash busting because it takes very little yarn to do the rounds, and it takes pretty much no time to make them, so you can also make a bunch of these if you want to. Let's just get started. So we're going to start with a foundation chain. Go ahead and do your slip knot, insert your hook, and we're going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to go down to the first chain that we made, so it's down here, and we're going to go in, pull the yarn through both loops, and slip stitch. And this gives us a nice little foundation ring to work in. And we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. That will count as a double crochet. We're going to put a double crochet next to it. Like that. And we're going to chain 1, add 2 more double crochets, one and 2. And if you want to, you can take your yarn tail and pull it tight to the back of the ring and crochet it in as you go, because that will save us some time when we're going to weave it in at the end. We're going to chain 1 and put in 2 double crochets, and we're going to do that until we have 5 sets of 2 double crochet with a chain 1 between each. So that was 3, chain 1, 2 more double crochets, 1 and 2, chain 1, and then the last set of 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and then we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to go over here to our chain 3 from the beginning, and we're going to find a third chain, so 1, 2, 3. So with this one up here, I'm just gonna go in and do a slip stitch like that. That completes round number 1. If you're going to continue with this yarn color, you're just going to slip stitch in between the 2 double crochets like that, and then you can start round number 2. If you don't want to do that but want to do a color change, I'm going to yarn over, pull the yarn through, and we're going to cut off the yarn and pull up like that. And then we're going to attach our new yarn color. So let's bring that one in. You don't have to do it over here, we can just go over here. And we're going to go in between 2 double crochets. So in here, grab the yarn. You can attach the yarn any way you like. Do your favorite color changing method. I like to do it this way. I'm going to tie a knot, pull it tight, and now we have it attached. We're going to go in and chain 1, go down and do a single crochet like that, chain 1 to get to the chain space between the sets of double crochets, and in there we're going to put 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're going to chain 1, go in between the 2 double crochets and put in a single crochet. And that is what we're going to repeat all the way around. So chain 1 into the next chain space and put in 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5. And then we're going to chain 1, go in between the 2 double crochets, put in a single crochet, chain 1, and then you're ready to do your 5 double crochets in the next chain space. Let's do that all the way around and meet up over here, and I'll show you how to fasten off. So now I just did my last double crochet. So I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to find the first single crochet that we did over here. So just going to go in and we're going to slip stitch, and then you can yarn over and pull the yarn through, snip off the yarn, and then we're done. And you're just going to weave in your ends and your flower is done. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe if you did, and I have some more flower videos coming for you. Have a great day.